Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the date and time on your Chromebook. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by left clicking on the clock on the bottom right corner of our system shelf, and then you want to go select the setting gear icon, so go ahead and select that. Select the main menu icon near the top left corner of the window, three horizontal lines, so go ahead and left click on that. Select advanced, and then select date and time. Where it says time zone, click inside of here. And now you can set it automatically, so use your IP address to determine location, or you could also search from a list here and just set it to whatever your default selection is. And then once you're connected to the internet, it should automatically sync back up. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.